Hey loves, in today's video I am creating this bright tropical inspired eye makeup using the Amuse Cosmetics Paradise palette that I purchased from Shop Miss A for only $1, and I'm also trying out some new products from AOA Studio as well. The first product I picked up is the Amuse Cosmetics 9-pan eyeshadow palette in Paradise, and when I saw this on the website, it instantly gave me tropical beachy summer vibes with the yellow, the greens, and the blues, and it kind of reminds me of a Sprite can too. I got two more items for the eyes. The first one being the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. This is the first mascara I've purchased from AOA Studio, and I'm excited to try it out. And I also picked up a pair of the AOA Studio 3D Faux Mink Premium Lashes in the style Brianna. The wand for the Fat Lash Mascara is thin and it has a lot of tiny plastic spikes on it. These are the type of wands that I typically go for because I know they're going to make my lashes look amazing. And the AOA Studio Premium Lashes in the style Brianna are a nice crossed wispy lash. Also my favorite style of lashes as well. These lashes retail for $1.55 and they are part of the Shop Miss A Paw Animal Charity Program. When you purchase these lashes as well as other items on the site that are a part of this program, you're helping animals in need. I also picked up a new lip product for today's look. I got the AOA Studio Lip Pop Lip Gloss in the shade City Girl. And I purchased two other of their lip pop glosses, but as you can see, the handle on this one is not only swollen, but it's kind of curved. I don't know what happened. All three of them were in a protective plastic wrap, and the other two handles look fine, but it did swatch as well as perform perfectly with no adverse effects. The gloss is fine. I just want to show you, loves, that this could happen if you were to order it. I'm using my Vivis eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with the Amuse Cosmetics Smokey Eyes Single in Creme, which I also purchased from Shop Miss A. Now with my E.L.F. eye crease brush, I'm taking the light green shadow and applying it in and slightly above my crease. With my Start Mini Blending Brush, I'm blending out the edge of that green eyeshadow with the yellow one. I'm applying the medium blue shade to the outer and inner corners of my lid using the AOA E124. For the empty space in the middle of my lid, I'm using the Elite Pro Beauty eyeshadow brush to apply the shimmery blue shade. I'm highlighting my brow bone with the first shadow in the palette using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. This is another no winged liner look, so I'm going right into mascara, and this Fat Lash Mascara is amazing. The formula is perfect, not too thick, not too thin, and the tiny spikes on the wand perfectly separated and lengthened my lashes. I'm tightlining my upper lash line, so it'll be a nice smooth black line when I apply my false lashes and there won't be any gaps. These AOA Studio lashes have a thin, flexible band, which made it really easy to apply them right on top of my natural lashes for a seamless look. They also are a lot longer on the eye than they look in the packaging, but still very delicate and wispy. I tried to incorporate as many colors out of this palette as I could into this look. So right now I'm using the AOA E115 and I'm taking the darkest blue shade and applying it right underneath my lashes. And right underneath that, I am taking the lightest blue-green shade. I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the first shade in the palette using my E.L.F. small smudge brush. This is the completed eye makeup. I love the color scheme of the Santee Paradise palette. It's so bright and fun, and I love how the colors came together in this look. For the most part, my base routine stays the same, as far as my foundation, concealer, and setting powder. I do, however, switch up my bronzer, blush, and highlighter because I have so many in my collection. Today, I am applying the E.L.F. bronzer in the shade Deep with my Basic Beauty contour brush. My go-to blush at the moment is the Wet n Wild ColorIcon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It's just a really pretty soft coral shade, and I'm applying it with the Elite Pro Beauty blush brush. And for highlighter, I am applying the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Platinum Bar in the shade Winter Bloom using my AOA F19. Before I apply my lip color, I am moisturizing my lips with the AOA Studio Oh Honey Apple Scented Nourishing Lip Oil. I am lining and filling in the outer corners of my mouth with the Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy Lip Liner in the shade Brown. Now I am applying the AOA Studio Lip Pop Lip Gloss in the shade City Girl to the center of my lips and blending it out with the applicator. Here's my completed Tropical Paradise makeup look. As I stated earlier in the video, the palette that I used has such a beautiful color scheme. I'm in love with the way that my eye makeup came out. And I like all of the products that I picked up from Shop Miss A that I used to create this look. The three standout products, in my opinion, are first of all, the Amuse Cosmetics 9-Pan Palette in Paradise, of course, the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara, as well as the AOA Studio Lip Pop Lip Gloss in City Girl. I really like the lip combo that I created and how it complements the colorful eye makeup. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!